Hello friends, we are back with Python series once again. Today we are going to learn about keywords in Python. Python has a set of keywords that are reserved words. We cannot use a keyword as variable names, function names, or any other identifiers. They are used to define the syntax and structure of the Python language. In Python, keywords are case sensitive. There are 33 keywords in Python version 3.6.5. You may check Python keywords in Python ideally by typing help bracket keywords double quote bracket close. Here is a list of Python keywords. Enter any keyword to get more help. In above list of Python keywords, all the keywords except true, false, and none are in lowercase and they must be written as they are. Python keywords are organized into the group based on their uses. Value keywords, true, false, none. Operator keywords, and, or, not, in, is. Control flow keywords, if, elif, else. Iteration keywords, for, while, break, continue, else. Structure keywords, def, class, with, as, path, lambda. Returning keywords, return, yield. Import keywords are import, from, as. Exception handling keywords are try, except, raise, finally, else, assert. Asynchronous programming keywords, async, await. Variable handling keywords are del, global, non-local. Let's learn few keywords in detail here. The first one is true, false. Returns true when the argument x is true, false otherwise. The built-ins true and false are the only two instances of the class bool. That is, in booleans, only two ints are there, true and false. If certain event is positive, then it is true. If it is negative, then it is false. The true keyword is used as the boolean true value in Python code. The Python keyword false is similar to the true keyword but with the opposite boolean value of false. Keyword none. The Python keyword none represents no value. And the Python keyword and is used to determine if both the left and right operands are true or false. If both operands are true, then the result will be true. If one is false, then the result will be false. For example, if the value of x is 1 and the value of y is also 1, then the result will be 1. If the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 1, then the result will be 0. Or Python OR keyword is used to determine if at least one of the operands is true. An OR statement returns the first operand if it is true and otherwise returns to the second operand. Not. Python not keyword is used to get the opposite boolean value of a variable. In. Python in keyword is used to check if a value is present in a list, tuple, etc. Is. Python is keyword is used to check if two variables are equal or not. If. Python if keyword is used to make a conditional statement. Elif. Python elif keyword is used in conditional statements same as else if. I'll discuss all the keywords one by one with example in later videos while doing programming. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.